Hello, this is Rocky Patel with PranicLifestyle.com, and today I'd like to talk about Om Shanti, the mantra for peace by Master Choa Kok Sui. And I've been listening to this one probably for over 20 years, and it's basically very soothing. It's Master Choa Kok Sui singing Om Shanti, and he's singing Om Shanti 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 Om, and as he sings it, it helps really calm the solar plexus, the mental body. I think it also helps emit like pink and violet energy, and it helps purify the environment. It helps really calm people down. It's good to play after a long day at work, or when you're traveling, when you get to your destination, or if you're trying to go to sleep, and or to help calm kids down. It's great to play in the evening to help unwind after a long day. But you can get this CD, or you can get in from Amazon also on PranicLifestyle.com. Under the blog or the Master Choa section, there should be links to the CDs. You can buy them from our site and the ebook from Amazon there. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye bye.